Motu Meaty $5.
How did he do that? I got the spam security on. Oh my gosh, man.